How to add new navigation menus in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a navigation menu or a new one or replace your current navigation menu into your Hostinger Website Builder. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to see the a specific H panel. Once you have submitted your account into the H panel, you're going to head over the websites at the left side of the screen, select websites list, and then you're going to see all the websites that you have. I am going to select one of the websites that we own, and I am going to make sure that we are going to select the website that has the logo of the discontinued square, which is going to be representing the Hostinger website builder, which is going to be this one. So we are going to click on edit website and we are going to wait for the website to load up. It will not take a lot of time from you to load up because Squarespace is going to be the fastest um, uh, website builder that I have tested till now. So we are going to have it just like that. Now, as you can see, we have our website ready. What are we going to do? Basically, in this specific tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can replace, remove, or add a new navigation menu for this specific area. So it is going to be situated into the header. So when you click on the header and you are going to edit the header, you're going to see the elements that we have in here. So you can add some elements or remove them, and we can go ahead and control the navigation menu placement. So for example, we can go ahead and put it to the middle, to the left side, to the right side, or to the specific middle. Now, what are we going to do is to modify this menu. How we can do that, basically it is going to be very easy. We're going to head over the left side of the screen. We have some elements that we can modify in here. Click on pages and navigations, and here we have the main navigation. So we have the menu or the home page, the menu, as you can see, and all the elements that are available in here. What we're going to do is either we are going to hide these elements by clicking on the three dots in here and start hiding it from the navigation like that, or we can go ahead and set them up like that. So we cannot basically remove the homepage, but we can hide it instead. So I'm going to hide all of the specific, as you can see, items. And we are going to start from the scratch. So I'm going to have this hide and hidden. So when you hide all the elements from the main navigation, the header is going to be disappearing or it will disappear. Now, what are we going to do is to scroll down a little bit into the hidden from navigation, and we can go ahead and hide or unhide them and put them here. So as you can see, you can go ahead and add the first one, which is going to be the home. And it is going to be very necessary to have the home added. Now, for the other menu items or navigation, as you can see here, items, we can go ahead and add links. We can add a drop down, and also we can add new pages. So, for example, if I am going to create a new blog, for example, like that, I can go ahead and add a blog and put the name of it into the new navigation menu and also select the URL or the handle. So you can go ahead and put it like this and click on save. Then, as you can see, we have put the blog and also the home. Now, if I want to add another or a link for a specific section, I can go ahead and click on add link. And then we are going to link it to either a page, a web address, a section, or something. So I can go ahead and select one of these sections, and that is going to be by selecting one of these sections and put an anchor on it. For example, here we have for example, this one. I'm going to click on this section, click on edit. Then we are going to select anchor, and we're going to give it a hashtag or a name. For example, we are going to put the name, for example, bread like that. And here we have it. Now, what are we going to do is to head over here and click on this specific area, click on the pages and navigations, And we're going to add the page, or not the page, basically we're going to add a link, and then we're going to select sections, select the bread section, and here we have it. So we are going to have the new link, rename it to, for example, bread like that, and boom, we're going to click on save. So as you can see, we have created the new link, which is going to be reaching to a specific section. And this is the, as you can see, property of that specific section. Now, aside from adding a link, you can go ahead and add other pages. For example, you can add whatever page that you want. For example, you can generate a page, you can put a new empty page, and etc. And then you're going to have them just linked by it. So I'm going to have here, for example, a new organization of this specific, as you can see, menu items or the main menu. I'm going to have the store shown in the navigation, and then we can go ahead and set up the ordering of that. So we are going to put the home first. The second place is going to be for the store. The last one, or the last place, is going to be for the blog, and here we have the bread. Now, I am going to put some of the modification in here. So I'm going to edit the styles on the header. So on hover, it is going to be black. I'm going to put it as white, or we're going to put it like this. And we're going to let it as underlined like this. So we are not going to confuse the colors. So here we can go ahead and navigate through the specific menu items really like that, and then we are going to have it just like this. We have the blog also, and etc. If you are not satisfied with the main menu or the new navigation menu that we have put, you can go ahead also and set up or delete the unnecessary items or hide them. Or also, you can go ahead and put a password for a specific, as you can see, page. That was pretty much it for this tutorial. So aside from that, you can go ahead and design, as you can see, the header by adding some elements or hiding some elements like the logos, the social media icons, and make it more aesthetic like this. Or you can go ahead also and hide the shopping bag. So can modify the size of it, also a lot of different aspects of this specific bar. So aside from this one, you can go ahead and add maybe some or set up the layout of the header for the element spacing, also the line or the link spacing, which is going to be the related to the navigation, top and bottom spacing, and etc. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.